What's up, y'all? It is your girl Z, and I'm doing another freaking video. It has been so long. It's been so long since I've done a video for you guys, and I've been getting I do a lot of videos on my Instagram, and everybody's like, you should do videos on your YouTube channel. So I'm back doing another video. I've been back. I'm looking all kinds of ways. I just said, you know what, I'm gonna sit. I'm just gonna sit down and do a video for you guys because these are some things that you guys are really interested in, because I do talk about my stuff that I get from Amazon and other places, especially my production stuff, and I like to play. So we can just go and get right into this freaking video. I got myself a mic for Christmas, and I thought it would be really cool to dabble in some ASMR videos. So I already done unboxed the mic because this is my second time recording this. So right now the mic is actually currently charging, but I'm going to show you. It is called the Femate X2A voice changer microphone with a pop-up filter, tripod stand, a metal rod, portable karaoke microphone for computer, phone, iPad, YouTube, voice live streaming videos. And I got the one in gold. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put this in the description below, and it's for $27.97. And look how freaking cute this is, guys. So basically it all comes detached and you just put it together. It can twist right off, you know, simple things. I bought this because I thought, why not get a stand with it. It was $28? Come on, guys. And that's US, and it comes with the little thing so you don't spit into your mic. So I thought it was cute too. The mic looks like this. Like I said, I'm currently charging it. So the mic looks like this. It comes with the charger, but it doesn't come with I call it a bunkie piece. This is a bunkie piece, or an adapter, or whatever it's called. So I will be doing a review on this in the same video because I want to see how it sounds when I eat ice. So I'm going to eat some ice, probably eat some chips too, and candy cane. So we're going to just try all that shit out today. And it comes with bass, treble, and it has a reverb and volume. I got the volume because apparently if you get a mic with a volume adjuster, it comes, the chewing comes more intense, I guess. So I'm gonna try it out. I can't wait to try it out. And it also comes with an aux cord and all that to plug into the camera and all of that jazz. So I'm really excited to try that out. This big boy right here is something that I've been looking all over the place for. My friend Jasmine did unboxing on a ring light like this. I don't think we got the same one, but I think it's in the same price range. I think I got this one for $80-something. Like I said, I'll put I'm always willing to share how much I get my stuff for and what I get. I'm not selfish like that. So this one is it's just coming up. I get everything off of Amazon. I'm an Amazon freak. I have Amazon Prime, and that's just that, period. So I don't even know how to say this. Aurani ring light kit. This is a 16-inch one, and I got this one for it's currently unavailable. I don't even know how much I paid for this. Dang, I wish it told me. Oh, let me see if I can see the invoice. I wish you guys can see how Ella's looking at me right now. I think I got it for I got it for $69.99. Got it for $69.99, and it came in this big dirty box. So I thought I should unbox it on camera. I'm gonna slide over a little bit more. got one part down. All right, down. All right, gotta get into another box. All right, so this is how it looks right here. So it basically just telling you that it's a LED ring light, you know, what it does. So basically this is, oh, okay. I was about to say this is all stapled. Like, how am I? If you hear squeaking, it's Ella, guys. All right, so we're just opening it up. So I guess this is for where my phone, you know, that stand for your phone that you can clip it onto the ring light, if I'm not mistaken. Here, I really don't have a ring light already, but this is a smaller one. I think this is an 8-inch one. So yeah, you can just use that and you can turn and all that jazz. Oh, this is the tripod stand here, which is, oh, it has a twisty one, which is good. So I'm gonna just take it out of the plastic. Oh dang. And then I have, I guess this, I don't know what you call it, but I have it on this one too. It's basically just to maneuver the ring light all over, because it has like a little ball here, which I'm struggling. Oh, probably have to see, like it just maneuvers all over the place. So what I'm gonna do, so I don't have this in the frame. So what I'm gonna do is just basically set it up. Guys, I wish you can see this dog. You're really getting under my skin. Alright, so it's tight now. So basically I'm just gonna tighten this too so it doesn't move. So see, not moving. Oh bitch. Hold on, before I get to that, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so basically it has the instruction, which I do not read. We're just gonna go with it. And this is basically the plug for the light itself. Oh bitch, look at this beauty. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a long time coming, because the first ring light that I saw on Amazon was like almost like $135 or $175. I'm like, hell nah, not doing that. I'll just wait. And I got soft boxes. My first set of like production lights were soft boxes, and they were way cheaper. I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to get richer night driving. But anyways, this looks and feel like good quality. I can't even laugh about it. I guess you can like pin it up or something, I don't know. And then it has the on and off switch right here. Then it has the dial to go bright. Is this brighter? Oh, dimmable. And then it has the color temperature one here. And look, the little thingy goes up and down. I guess you can. All right, hold on. Let's try the thing. First, we're gonna plug it in. Which plugs in right here. So we're just tying this on. Oh damn. Oh, does that go? Oh wait, hold on. Okay. So I don't need this here then, is what they're trying to tell me. Or do I? I don't think so. So I'm just gonna loosen this up and see how it goes. This is heavy. Oh bitch. Alright, and then I'm gonna tighten this too. Oh bitch. So basically, I can put this back. And this can be for my camera. Bitch. I'll put my camera on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch out this smaller ring light for this one, so I can show you guys on camera as well what it can do, even though I'm gonna show you right now. Oh bitch. At first second I thought it was gonna work, guys. Okay, hold on. Guys, look at this. This is magnificent. So I'm gonna dim it. Guys, this lit up my whole entire like living room. Look at this. And then I'm gonna dim it a little bit, and I'm gonna do the temperature. It's changing, guys. Look, this is so freaking cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some ice and chips and all of that, and I'm gonna switch out my ring light, this one, I'm gonna switch out this one for this one. I'm gonna put my camera on here and all of that, and then we'll do the things. We're gonna test out the mic on this so you guys can see the quality and all that jazz for the ring light and mic. So I will be right back. What I'm gonna do is, I still look like a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is, oh, that's Ella's ball. It is working. Oh my god, I can hear it in the earphones. Alright, so first thing, I don't know, I just have a whole pile of things that we're just gonna try out. First, I'm gonna try out ice. A little bit too much oil. Yeah. Or maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's hear me drink. I don't really hear that much from that, but I don't know if it's like, maybe I'll just take this off because I'm not feeling it. Nephew's watching me. So I'm using the ring light at the moment. The only thing with the ring light, the little thing that holds up the, what do you call it, the camera, can't hold up my camera. Maybe if you guys have like a Samsung A330, I think it's called, or 3000, like the little smaller ones, then maybe it will work. Probably like the heaviness from my lens alone is not like holding it up, but the smaller cameras probably work. But I'm using a ring light right now. I wish for my earphones I go to here a little bit more. These are sweet tarts. I'm just trying any and anything just to test out the quality of the mic. But I think I dropped them. But I do have the bass and treble up and the volume up. But Jesus. You're good. You're sour. Okay guys, so what I realized when I'm editing this video is when I started to whisper. It seems like the mic didn't pick up my whispering, and I was whispering like, okay guys, so you know, it wasn't like a, you know what I'm saying? So I was kind of disappointed because it picked up me talking very, very, very loud. I'm not sure what it is. I still probably have to still figure out this mic. Um, but I am gonna do a little bit of Googling. But I heard everything in my earphones, which is really, really different and weird. But I didn't hear me whispering or anything like that in the video when I'm editing it right now. So I'm still gonna have to figure out what go on with my little mic. So bear with me. But you know, this is why I do videos like this. So you know, you guys don't buy this kind of microphone if you're not here to figure out certain shit. So I am gonna be buying a different mic. But anyways, enough talking, and I hope you guys can enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, it says, where did the elephant store its suitcase? Where did the elephant store its suitcase? In his trunk. Oh, bitch! There's two big ones in this gun. I'm excited. Guys, comment below. Tell me what you see next. Like, I'll be doing another ASMR one. I'm gonna eat some oxtail in here or some shit, but I don't really eat rice like that. So, maybe some lettuce, give it a crunch or some shit. I'll look it up. Almost there. For once. Oh shit. For once. Get all this sounds. Let's just look at me like the fuck. People go fucking hear me. Javen, do you want to eat some ice with me? Come here. I'll put the earphones on you. So you can shoot into the mic. So whatever you want to do noise. He was so excited. I'm sorry, I'm struggling. Here. We'll go here. Go ahead. So you're shooting the mic. Give it to me. Can you hear yourself? Are you excited you get to do that? What do you want to do? Oh shit. Here's ice. Tell them you're eating, but say it whisper. I don't know. It's in your head.
Hello, how about feeling to eat ice?
You want to eat ice? We want to eat them. These ones.
I want to eat the most crunchiest thing.
I guess these. Get to yourself. Okay. Alright, one last one. You got that boy business. If you not for me, go down, move back to what you do. Right. Right, you like video. I'll get better stuff next time. I'm just trying it out, honestly. But anyways, talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe down below. If you want to see more videos of my nephew, hit the thumbs up.